I don't know if this is happening because today's Monday, but I've heard from at least 4 or 5 folks um, this self doubt, this I don't know how to do this, I can't do it, I'm not good enough, I don't believe in myself, and I'm tired of that nonsense and this negativity. Where's it coming from? What happened to all these people and generations before us who have done amazing work, who believed in themselves? If you don't believe in yourself, no one else will, and you're not going to get things done. How can you move forward and get things done and accomplish what you want to accomplish if you don't believe that you can actually do those things? So start believing in yourself. Obviously, don't be cocky and arrogant, condescending, and rude to others, but believe in yourself. Figure out what you want to do, what your focus is, and get it done. I don't want to hear this. I mean, I'm not someone you're going to get much sympathy from when somebody comes to me and tells me, "Oh, this is really hard. I can't do this." My life has been challenging. I had to move twice for different reasons. Once was a war. Once was something else. Once was several hundred miles. Second time was nearly 5,000 miles. Started with a couple of suitcases and have done okay for myself. I'm still nowhere near being done where I want to be, but I've done okay for myself. So I don't want to hear these things, "Oh, I can't do it. It's difficult and it's challenging." Yes, it's not meant to be easy, but you're tougher, you're better, you're smarter than that, you're a lot more intelligent, and you can absolutely get things done that you really, really believe you deserve and you want to achieve. So go get them.